What is the worst thing you can do to drop your FICO score? This one here is a great question for those who are asking and are thinking. What happens typically is people will over leverage their credit cards. That's one thing that will drop your credit. So if you have a $10,000 card and you maxed out, 80-90%, that would definitely drop your FICO score. Anytime new accounts hit, that would drop your FICO score. So say if you went out and purchased a vehicle, $50,000 car loan, soon it pop up on your credit because of course FICO is shocked. They're not aware that you have a $50,000 loan with a $50,000 balance. So this would definitely drop your FICO score temporarily. Now you can do things to get it up, which consist of making timely payments. So once you make your payments on time, that will actually have your score starting to go back up. Another thing that drop your FICO score that is kind of more related to negative impact is lates. 30 days, 60 day, 90 day, etc. Lates will destroy your credit score. So you're better off getting a $10,000 collection versus a 30-day late. The 30-day late is more detrimental to your FICO score than a $10,000 collection. These are just some of the ways your FICO score can go down. Other than collections, charge-off, bankruptcies. Oh, and speaking of bankruptcies, not only does it drop your score 100 or 200 points, it destroys everything associated with FICO. Here is why: because the bankruptcy is reported in public records, and also whatever item that you included in your Chapter 7 or Chapter 13, that would be included too on your report. So if you included a collection account, that collection account would be in bankruptcy on your report, and also it will show that you filed bankruptcy in public records. So those are things that would definitely drop your FICO score, other than judgments, collections, and your other typical negative accounts. But these are things that will drop your score. Bo knows.